Today's session is a moderate intensity workout to help you build strength, improve endurance, and boost flexibility. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, we've got 7 moves, 50 seconds each with 10 seconds to reset. On the left side of the screen, there is a timer which shows you how long you will be doing this move. So get ready. The first move is a step back and reach. Start stepping back and reach your arms overhead. Full stretch through your sides and core. This one's great for improving flexibility and warming up your whole body. Stay light on your feet and really reach. You're 25 seconds in. Keep it going. You're doing great. Just stay smooth and keep your breath steady. Next move coming up, high knee marches. Start marching in place, lifting knees towards waist level while swinging arms. Lift those knees, swing those arms. This fires up your heart rate and strengthens your core. The higher the knees, the better the burn. You've got 20 seconds left. Strong pace, just keep marching with purpose. Breathe and stay tall. Up next, squat to cross body reach. Squat down, then reach across your body as you rise. Activate your core, stretch your back, and work your legs all at once. Keep your motion fluid. You're already halfway through. Just 25 more seconds. Keep pushing through with control. So have a look at your next move coming up, leg curl with overhead arm pull. Curl your head toward your glute and pull your arms down from overhead. Focus on squeezing your hamstrings and activating your upper back. Move with purpose. You've got 20 seconds left. Stay strong. You've got this. Next up, side step with arm swings. Step side to side and swing those arms in full circles, forward and back. Loosen up your shoulders and keep your body moving. This one keeps your heart rate steady, opens up the upper body. Just 20 seconds to go. Enjoy the flow. You're doing great. Last move, calf raises with floor touch. Rise up onto your toes, then reach down with control and touch the floor. This works your calves, core, and flexibility all together. Breathe through the movement. You're halfway through, 25 seconds left. Stay focused. Stay tall. Final few seconds. Finish strong. You did it! That's how we build strength and endurance. How did you feel? Leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Be sure to check out the link in the description for the cool down video to help your body recover. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!